Hi, I am Sandra, but everyone calls me Sandy, and this is my family tree. My father's name is Luciano. She is carpenter, and she lives in Tuxtepec, Oaxaca, with my mother Fiaga. My mother is medical assistant. I had one brother and one sister. My brother's name is Luciano. He is single. My sister's name is Alicia. She is married. She is Francisco. Francisco is Alice's husband. He is Angelito. Angelito is Sandy's nephew. She is Javier. He is my husband. They are Isabel and Manuel. She is my mother-in-law. He is my father-in-law. He is Alfred. Alfred is Javier's brother. She is Norma. Norma is my sister-in-law. She is Esmeralda. Esmeralda is Alfred's daughter. She is Guadalupe. She is nurse. She works in hospital.